So here's more new exciting things that I get to work on. Customer brought me this 1972 Blazer that he bought, had it shipped in. This truck's not from Pennsylvania, as you might suspect if you live in Pennsylvania, because it wouldn't look like this. So it had body work done. Body work's okay on it. I think he's going to improve it a little bit. But the engine's kind of a different story. Someone slapped an unknown, like late 70s motor in here. You can tell because it's blue. Has like all these vacuum lines plugged and stuff. Kind of just, I don't know, half-ass install. Like, look at the fuel line here. So he wants me to go over the motor. I'm probably going to pull the motor out. Not probably, I am going to pull the motor out. Compression test it. As long as it's good, we're going to re-gasket it, paint it. Should be orange. Radiator's shot. Hoses are shot. Motor mounts are shot. It has an HEI distributor in it, but I'm going to put something better in it. Probably a better HEI. Going to put a high amp alternator in it. Clutch fan to get rid of this stupid direct drive fan because I hate these. But overall, the truck's pretty good. It has a nice body, which is the most important part. Nice orange rallies. Interior's pretty decent. Yeah, I have some new interior pieces he wants installed. It's an automatic truck. It has a TH350. Seats are decent. Rear seats decent. There's some more parts he wants me to put on it. Center console. Has a steering wheel of a 90s truck for some reason. Something kind of interesting I've only seen before on Roadkill Garage when Freiberger bought that like military Jeep wagon thing. This thing has 2 fuel tanks. So this cap leads to the one, which is down here, like the main gas tank, which you can see is a dent in it. We're going to order a new gas tank for it too. And then there's another one on this side, which leads to a tank that kind of goes like behind this taillight here. It's like a vertical tank. I don't have a key to unlock this right now, so I can't show you, but it stands up in here. But the tanks are also like linked with hoses, but they're also separate. There's a diverter valve, so I'm not sure if like if you fill one tank up, if it overflows in the other one. That's probably what it does. But you can actually select the 2 separate tanks. But this one is like a reserve tank. See, that's some generic dual exhaust on it. What sucks is the truck was never driven since it was like painted, and it sat around so long that the mufflers actually went bad. See if I can show you here. So we started it and it sounded terrible and rattly. So these mufflers were never even driven on the street, and listen. They're completely falling apart inside. So it's gonna need new mufflers, but the rest of the exhaust should be good. Gonna keep manifolds on it because headers are a pain in the ass. At least these manifolds won't leak, we'll just clean them up. But yeah, over the next few weeks I'm gonna be working on this. So I will update and post another video when the truck has improved.